Welcome to Acme Lift Private Limited. We come to Malik Commercial. Let's see how we create your lift. Today we are creating commercial lift installation. First we creating the structure of lift with stainless steel square bars, safety belt for our workers' safety. Here is MRL gearless machine. We use chain and pulley to pull the MRL gearless machine. This is counterweight. This is control panel box made by Acme. Control panel box have a special key to open, so it's very safe. Everything is checked properly and under the experts. We take care of small things, so everything will be perfect. Everything is complete. Now we are checking everything is working properly or not. Everything is perfect and safe for your use. We take a lot care for your hygiene. Now we are cleaning outside of the lift and inside of the lift. Here is your safe and clear. Now you can good to go.
Our Acme team, our strength.